This is Dr. David Kingboison. Welcome to Occupational Health and Safety Minutes. So today we'll be discussing the objectives of occupational health and safety. The first objective of occupational health and safety is to maintain and promote workers' health and working capacity at the workplace. The second objective is to improve the working environment and make work conducive or work very attractive, and also to develop a working organization culture in a direction which supports health and safety at work. And the last objective is also to promote a positive social climate and smooth operation to enhance organizational productivity. So 4 objectives. First, to maintain and promote workers' health and working capacity within the work environment. And the second is to improve the working environment and make work very conducive at workplace, and also to develop the work organization or working organization cultures in a direction which supports health and safety. And the last one is to promote a positive social climate and smooth operation to enhance organizational productivity. So these are the objectives of occupational health and safety. Now, I want us to look at the basic definition of concept in occupational health and safety. Are you hearing some concepts like what is a hazard, what is risk? I want us to talk about basically 2 of these concepts, hazard and risk. So what is hazard in occupational health and safety? A hazard is a potential source of harm or adverse health effect on a person or persons, or any substance or material that can cause harm to the person or a group of persons. So that is what a hazard is. So occupational hazard is therefore those aspects of the work and the work environment that have the tendency of causing harm and danger to people and employees. And it's in ensuring employees' health and safety at work, employers should put in measures to prevent or reduce the availability of these hazards from the workplace. Now let's move to the next concept. The next concept has to do with risks. What is risks? Now, risks refers to the likelihood or the chance, it could be high or low, that a person or a group of persons may be harmed or suffer from adverse effect of an exposed situation, or the person being exposed to what hazard. So it refers to the likelihood or the chance that a person or group of persons may be harmed or suffer adverse effects if exposed to a hazard. And for example, if there was a spill of water on the floor, then the water would present a slipping hazard to the person passing through it. However, if access to that area was prevented, for instance, by a physical barrier, then the hazard would remain, though the risks would be minimized. Let's look at another concept. So, having talked about risks and hazard, now let's look at the types of hazard. The first type of hazard I want us to share has to do with safety hazard. So, what is safety hazard? Safety hazards are those aspects of the work environment that have the potential to cause immediate, the word is immediate, and very violent harm to the individual. Anytime or anything that can cause death or cause an individual to lose part of his body is a safety hazard. And example, machinery, equipment, acidic and highly flammable substance are examples of what safety hazard. Let's look at the next one. So let's look at health hazard. What is health hazard? Health hazard are those aspects of the work environment that have the potential to cause harm to individuals slowly and cumulatively. And these hazards can take years before the effects are noticed. So such hazard gradually deteriorates the employee's health. You might not see it instantly, but it begins to work slowly, and it kills the employees. Now, health hazards are latent, and it goes unnoticed until a later point in time. An example: poisonous gases, long hours of work, noise, high temperatures, and heavy workloads are examples of health hazard. Hi, on the 25th and 26th of January 2023, we will be organizing our first ever training and workshop on occupational health and safety, where we'll be dealing with very critical topics like occupational health and safety concept. We'll be dealing with risk controls, hazard identification and reporting, health and safety policies, occupational stress, etc. etc. Who qualifies to be part of this event? We are looking at top managers, HR directors, occupational health and safety managers and officers, and any group of persons who would want to take a career in occupational health and safety. Trust me, we are going to make this event very practical. We have maintained that theory doesn't make sense unless we are able to see the theory come to practice. So we'll be dealing with scenarios and case studies and life testimonies of how other organizations have been able to get to the top in terms of their occupational health and safety policy implementation. 25th and 26th of January 2023 at Alizia Hotel. We have an online version, and also we have the face-to-face version. Those who will be coming in person will meet us at Alizia Hotel, and those who will be connecting to us globally will connect via Zoom or Microsoft Teams to connect to us so that we share these experiences. Go to our website and register. Our website is on the screen, knowledgewebcenter.com, and or connect to the WhatsApp line, and then let's chat, and then please enroll yourself. There are limited seats.